Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 30th of October, 2024. In yet another volatile session, the Indian benchmark indices snapped TW0-day gains and ended lower with Nifty below 24,350 on October 30th amid selling seen in the banking, metal and IT names. At close, the Sensex was down 426.85 points or 0.53% at 79,942.18, and the Nifty was down 126 points or 0.51% at 24,340.85. Top losers on the Nifty included Cipla, Shriram Finance, HDFC Life, Trent, SBI Life Insurance, while gainers were Adani Enterprises, Tata Consumer, Hero MotoCorp, Britannia Industries and Maruti Suzuki. Talking about the corporate segment, we have ADITYA BIRLA Capital Limited reported a strong 42% on-year gain in consolidated net profit for Q2 financial year 2025, reaching 1,001 rupees crore, boosted by robust growth across its lending and insurance portfolios. Revenue for the quarter grew 36% on-year to 12,007 rupees crore, it said in a stock exchange filing on Wednesday. ADITYA BIRLA Capital share price jumped as much as 5% after the strong earnings, with the stock trading at 215 rupees on NSE. It has gained about 25% in the last 1 year, taking the firm's market capitalization to about 56,000 rupees crore. The company's consolidated lending portfolio, comprising its NBFC and housing finance segments, rose 27% on-year to 1.38 rupees lakh crore as of September 30th. The firm's NBFC arm saw assets under management expand to 1.14 rupees lakh crore, marking a 23% rise from a year ago. The housing finance AUM surged 51% to 23,236 rupees crore. In asset management, ABCL's mutual fund quarterly average AUM increased by 23% on-year to 3.83 rupees lakh crore. Across insurance segments, life insurance individual first-year premiums grew 33% year-on-year to 1,578 rupees crore in the first half of financial year 2025, and health insurance gross written premium surged 39% to 2,171 rupees crore over the same period. Shares of diversified NBFC CAPRI Global rose by more than 13% in early trade on October 30th on the back of a strong NI and profit growth. The net profit rose 49% on-year to 97 rupees crore, while the net interest income rose by 27% on-year to 301 rupees crore. The NBFC recorded a strong growth momentum with Q1 financial year 2025 AUM reaching to 17,457.9 rupees crore, a growth of 56% on-year, driven by home loan and gold loan categories. The retail AUM now makes up over 80% of CAPRI Global's portfolio, and the NBFC said it is on track to achieve 30,000 rupees crore AUM by financial year 2027. CAPRI credited branch expansions to the growth in the gold loan AUM, which has increased by 55% quarter-on-quarter to cross 5,400 rupees crore. CAPRI's gross NPA and net NPAs have stayed flat at 2% and 1.1%, respectively. The board also approved an enabling provision for a fundraise of 2,000 rupees crore by way of equity, debt, or convertible securities through rights issue or a preferential allotment, or QIP. CAPRI Global said the fundraise will help in the growth momentum. The NBFC said it has tempered down its branch expansion and may add about 50 branches in this fiscal year to cater to the gold loan segment, which will not be as aggressive as seen earlier. In gold loan, our expansion will continue to be in the north and west. We do not intend to go in south because we believe that south is already hugely penetrated and already the competition is in much larger areas. North and west still have a lot of scope, Rajesh Sharma, the managing director said. Shares of Honeywell Automation dropped as much as 8% on October 30th after the company reported a decline in its Q2 net profit amid sluggish demand. The weak earnings report also triggered a surge in trading volumes in the counter as around 28,000 shares changed hands so far, much higher than the one-month daily traded average of 4,000 shares. Including today's slump, the stock has deepened its losses to over 16% in the past 3 months. The engineering firm reported a 5.6% decline in its September quarter net profit to 115 rupees crore, $13.7 million, down from 122 rupees crore in the same period last year, primarily impacted by slowing demand. Honeywell Automation India specializes in providing building automation solutions to industrial clients, along with designing products aimed at emissions reduction and energy transition. A recent business survey indicated a slowing growth trend in India's manufacturing sector during August and September. Shares of Force Motors soared 20% to hit the upper circuit at 7,654 rupees on October 30 after the company posted strong Q2 financial year 2025 results. In Q2, the company's consolidated net profit jumped 43% YOY to 134 rupees crore, compared to 92.4 rupees crore a year ago. Revenue grew 7.8% YOY to 1,941.3 rupees crore, while total income increased 7.6% YOY to 1,949.9 rupees crore. Although sales of the company's own vehicles declined 19%, robust demand for luxury engines provided a significant boost. At the operational level, the company's earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization for the quarter rose 25% to 282 rupees crore, compared to 225 rupees crore in the same quarter a year ago. EBITDA margin expanded year-on-year to 14.5% from 12.5% last year. Force Motors, which manufactures engines for BMW and Mercedes-Benz, has established itself as a key player in the luxury automotive space. Founded in 1958, the company specializes in utility and commercial vehicles, including vans, school buses, and ambulances. Force Motors Limited in daily time frame is trading around 7,661.90 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 111.105 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 6,750.61, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 62.08. Spectrum Talent Management Limited in daily time frame is trading around 154.20 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 46.4 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 140.04, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 59.79. Homeark Opto-Mechatronics Limited in daily time frame is trading around 167.50 points with a change of 18.37% and is trading with a net volume of around 45,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 134.47, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.69. For the stock recommendation we have, Titagarh Rail Systems Limited looks good and can be bought at 1,190 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 1,173 rupees and a target of 1,247 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.